Okay. Do you see the notepad on the screen? Please respond me. Do you see the notepad on the screen? Okay. In the last class, I was telling you about the flow control. So, you need to know about the statements. What is a statement? In any language it may be. What is a statement? Any one of you? What is a statement in any language? It's a collection of commands. Okay. With the termination. This is the definition for statement. Now, how many types of statements will be there? I told you 3 types of statements. Sequential, conditional, conditional, and loop statements. Okay. Can you give me example for sequential statements? Any one of you? Kevin, you must be in time, man. Good morning, Kevin. Sequential. Example for sequential statements. None of you. Print. Print is the example for sequential statement. Okay. Input is the example for sequential statements. Conditional. Can you give me examples for conditional statements? If. Good. If else. If else. Okay. Again, elif. Okay. This is also known as else if ladder. Okay. Else if ladder. What are the other names for conditional statements? I told you in the previous session. Any one of you? Relational. No. Durga Devi, it's not relational. Not relational. For conditional statements, what is the other name? Decision making statements. Or branching statements. Okay. Again, you'll be having now. How about loop statements? Example for loop statements. For, Udang says for, Divya says for and while. Good. I can say for and while. Okay. Now, again, you must know about this is something about the statements. Even I told you about the blocks. Okay, block is nothing but group of statements. Now, if you see the example, the first one is the conditional statement. If I told you about if, okay, if will be having the condition, after that the statements or the block of statements. Say if you run this, we can run that. I have given a comment. After that, I given you some example. If name is equal to Alice, we are welcoming him. Okay, this is the simple thing. This is the simple thing. Okay, if you run this, what will be the output? If you run this, what will be the output? Okay, you can see there. I told you. I told you about the if. So, can anybody tell me the? Can anybody write the syntax of if? In the chat box? Syntax for if. Simple if. If condition. After that, after condition. Okay, many of you have given answers like this. If condition, it's good. After that, block of statements. Block of statements. Okay. Whenever you are asked for, syntax, you must write the complete thing. Okay. Next, I told you about if else. Okay. It is also known as two-way decision making statement. It's known as two-way decision making statements. Okay. Decision making statement. You can see there, if name is equal to Alice, we are giving a message, hi Alice, else you are a stranger. Say if this condition is true, the true block is executed. If the condition is false, we are executing the false block. Okay. Now type me the syntax. Type me the syntax of if else in the chat box. Every one of you. If condition, after that else, then the statements. Okay, I'll type here. First if, okay, after that condition, After that, colon. Okay. Now here, true block. True block. Okay. Else. Else, colon, false block. False block. Okay. So if the condition is true, the true block is executed. If the condition is false, the else block is executed. Okay. Now we can do some examples for if and if else. These are textbook examples. If name is equal to Alice, he is welcomed. Okay. Similarly, I have given you one more example. If practice is equal to S, if practice is equal to X, I'm giving a message like you will pass. Okay. If practice is equal to no, okay, you'll get nothing. You'll get nothing because there is no else part here. There is no else part. Now, one more example for if else. I have to get a variable name initialized with Bob. Okay. Now, if name is equal to Alice, okay, we are printing hi Alice. Else we are printing hey you are stranger. We are going to get false in this case. That's why the output is hey you are stranger. Okay. Now we shall execute them. You need to go for, I'll create one more new file. Okay, you need to select the project. Okay, the blue colored highlighted one is project. Right click on that, new. We need to select Python file. We need to select Python file. Okay, I'll give the name as practice. Okay, click OK. Now we got a new file. A new file has been generated. The name of the file is practice.py. Okay, I'm doing in the charm, PyCharm. Okay, now I'll do it for simple if. If say I'll initialize x is equal to 10. Okay, if x is greater than 5. Okay, I'm giving message printf print welcome. Okay, now if you run this, what will be the output? If you run this, what will be the output? Please respond me. If you run this, what will be the output? Colon missing. Pramod says colon missing. Good. After if condition, what I must do? I must give colon. Okay, we'll try to run that. You need to select run. You need to select the file, practice file. Okay, click on that and run. So you got the message like welcome. Okay, now similarly, I will comment this. If you want to comment, select all the things, control /. Okay, I'll do it for if else. I'll do it for if else now. If I'll take two variables, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20. Okay, if x is greater than, if x is greater than y. Okay, print x is greater. Okay, x is big. Else print y is big. Okay, now tell me what will be the output for this? Are there any mistakes in this? Any mistakes? Colon. Shiri says colon. Okay, Yes, I have missed the colons. Here after x is greater than y. Okay. Here you must give colon. Here you must give colon. Okay. Now similarly after else. Do we need colon? After else. Yes. After else also we need colon. Okay. After this, you need to save that. You need to save that. Okay. Save it. Click on run. You can see there already we are running practice file. So run practice, the first option. You can click on that. So you got the message like y is big. In this case, you can see there. What is the value of x? 10 is greater than 20. How about the condition? How about the condition? 10 is greater than 20. Condition is false. 10 is greater than 20. Condition is false. Okay. The condition is false. This will be replaced with 0 internally. Okay. If the condition is true, that will be replaced with 1. Okay. In this case, the condition is false. It will be replaced with 0. Okay. So the output you are going to get is y is big. Okay. Y is big. Similarly, if I give x as 100, okay, this time 100 is greater than 20. How about the condition? 100 is greater than 20. How about the condition? Please respond me. True. Okay. Pramod says true. Good. If the condition is true, okay, the first block is executed. You're going to get the message like x is big. Okay. Now I'll try to run this. See here, invalid syntax. What is the mistake I did? I need to comment this. So x is big. We got x is big. Okay. Instead of x is big, we must get message like 100 is big. 100 is big. How can we do this? We must get the output like 100 is big. How can we do this? Please respond me. %d. Okay. Let us see. Instead of x, here we must write %d. Okay. After that, we must pass the tuple. Okay. Tuple of the string. Here it is. Here it is x. Okay. Similarly, here if it is y means %d. Here we must pass the tuple y. Okay. I'll comment this. Just run it. Okay. So what is the mistake I did here? What is the mistake? Please respond me. Percentage. Good. Here we must write percentage. So you can see there 100 is big. Okay, we got 100 is big. Okay, everybody must know this formatting. Okay, this is about if else. Okay, now the next thing is else if. Do you see the else if on the screen? I given you example. If it is known as multi-way decision making statement. Multi-way decision making statement. Okay. See here, there are multiple conditions. It's also known as multi-way branching multi-way branching statement. Okay, now you can see there, if name is equal to Alice, we are printing hi Alice. If the age is less than 12, we are printing you are not Alice, kiddo. Okay, he's kid. Similarly, if age is greater than 2000, unlike you, Alice is not undead, he's immortal. Okay, this is the textbook example. If age is greater than 100, you are not Alice, you are granny. Okay, so multiple conditions are there here. Okay, you can see there we are using colon. We are using colon after every condition. After every condition. Now see the syntax. See the syntax for this. Okay, see the syntax. If after that condition colon. Okay. Now here you can say first block. First block. Okay. After that, you see here elif. Elif is a keyword. Elif is a keyword. Okay. Everybody knows the keyword. Is it? Can you give me examples for keywords? Can you give me examples for keywords? Int, good. Print. Abhishek says print, good. Already defined names. Already defined names. Reserved words will be known as keywords. Okay. Else if, then condition. Else if, condition, colon, second block. Second block. Okay. After that, we can have multiple blocks. We can have multiple blocks. Muthu Bharati, you must be in time. Okay, now finally, we may write else. We may write else. Okay, else is optional. Else is optional. Okay. This is the syntax for else if. This will be same in almost all the languages. This will be same in almost all the languages. Okay. Now we try to run this. We try to run this program. We copy this and we go to our PyCharm. I'll comment this. Now I'll copy. Okay. Good morning, Namrata. You are late. Type me the reason in the chat box if possible. So I'll comment this. You see there? I have typed if name is equal to Alice. We have typed something. Okay. Now will we get the output? What we must initialize? Please respond me in the chat box. What we must initialize? We should define name. Good. Name is undefined. Age is also undefined. Good. Good. You can see there. Name must be initialized with Alice. You try to initialize with Alice. Next, age. Okay. Age is equal to, say I'll give 8. Okay. Now I'll run this. So we got the first message like hi Alice. Okay. You see there we have initialized name with Alice. Now here name is equal to Alice. It happens like this. Alice is equal to Alice. Internally it is checked like this. Okay. the name is replaced with alias. Okay, the condition is true. If this condition is true, this entire thing will be replaced with 1. Okay, try to remember this. This entire thing will be replaced with 1. Okay, if the condition is 1 means this block is executed. The first block. This is the first block. First block. Okay, so hi alias, you are getting alias, hi alias as the output. Okay, now age, say I have given the first condition is true, that's why it is executing the first one. Similarly, I'll change the name. Okay, instead of name we can do with age now. Okay, now again what will be the output? Name is not defined. Good, we will define that. This time I am defining the age as 80. Okay, or age as 180. Okay, always it is considering the name as alias itself. This time we will take any other name. Okay, this time we will take Ganesh. The condition is false. So you see there, first we are checking the name. Ganesh is equal to alias. Ganesh is equal to alias. Condition is Ganesh is equal to alias. Condition is false. Condition is false. Okay, if this condition is false, the second condition will be checked. Okay, now here 180 is less than 12. Okay, how about the condition? 180 is less than 12. Condition is false. Okay, again 180 is greater than 2000. How about this condition? Condition is false. Okay, finally we will get this one will be executed. 180 is greater than 100. Condition is true. Okay, so you are getting a message like you are not alias, you are granny. Okay, now we will write one more example of average. Average. Okay, if the average or your percentage, if your percentage is 80, we must give message like excellent. Excellent. Okay, if percentage your previous semester percentage, if it is greater than 60, okay, message must be good. Else we must give message like improve, must be improved. Okay, this must be the message. Okay, now how to write the program for this? Can anybody try for this? Anyone? Try to type in the chat box. Okay, you can see here. If this one need to be executed, first we need to declare a variable like percentage. Okay, Now we can use int and input. Okay, input. Within this you can give a message, enter your percentage, enter your percentage. Okay, now after this we must check the percentage. If percentage is greater than 80, okay, give colon, give message, print excellent. Excellent. Okay, else if, is it correct? Please respond me. Else if. No. Chetna says no. Puneet says no. Okay. It's not else if. It is elif. Okay. After that, colon. Is it correct? After that, colon. After elif. Here we must give percentage. One more condition. Percentage greater than 60. Percentage greater than 60. Print good. Print good. Okay. After that elif. Okay, else print must be improved. Okay, now are there any errors in this? I'll comment the things. Is it correct? Are there any mistakes in this? Please respond me if any mistakes. If no mistakes, you can type no mistakes. Namrata says no mistake. Shirisha says no mistake. Okay. See here. Now we will run this. Click on run practice. So enter your percentage. I will enter 84. Okay. Now if you see 84, the first condition, 84 is greater than 80. The condition is true. Okay, if this condition is true, this will be replaced with 1. Okay, always 1 means it is the true block. The first block will be executed. So I'll type enter. I'll come to the editor. I'll type enter. Okay, excellent. You got the message like excellent. For example, if I run one more time, okay, this time I will enter 70. This time I will enter 70. You see there, 70 is greater than 80. 70 is greater than 80. Condition is false. If this condition is false, the second statement will be executed. Okay, 70 is greater than 60. 70 is greater than 60. How about the condition? Condition is true. The condition is true. Okay, so if this condition is true, good, you'll get message like good. Okay, see the message good there. Okay, now for example, if I run one more time, enter your percentage. This time I will enter 50. Okay, you see there, 50 greater than 80. Condition is false. Again, 50 greater than 60. Condition is false. Okay, now both the conditions are false. So the final else will be executed. You will get message like must be improved. I'll type enter. Okay, you got the message like must be improved. Okay, I'll comment this. Now Okay, I told you about else if, else if. Now, how many of you have installed Python in your systems? Please respond me. Nitish says yes. Udang says yes. Divya says yes. Okay, Aziz says yes. Shirisha says yes. Pratisha says yes. Okay, the people who did not install, please respond me. Karthik says yes, sir. Who did not install? Can I brand you as lazy? No laptop. Namrata says no laptop. Okay. Rakesh says no laptop. Good. No problem. Now, no laptops. Good. For them, actually no space. Pramod says actually no space. 100 MB is enough. Okay. Now, for you people, for those people who are having trouble, and for those people who are so lazy, okay, for them, I'll introduce you a new thing, a new editor, okay, where you need to not even, no need to type also, okay. Everybody is having mobiles with you, with internet. Mayur says yes, okay. Now, you can go to the Google. You can go to the Google. You type Python class W3 schools. W3 schools. Okay. How many of you heard about this? How many of you heard about this? Please respond me. W3 schools. Chetana says, I heard. It's nice. Okay. You see there? You select this. We got Python classes, W3 schools. Okay, click on that. This is the website which gives you online coding. Okay. You'll be having templates. Okay. You see there. We'll be having multiple templates. We can execute whatever we want. Say, I have opened one example. Okay, already examples will be there like this as a template. Okay, just you need to click on try it yourself. Okay, you'll get a screen like this. Now you need to click on run. Okay, so in this example you see there x is equal to 5. Okay, y is equal to John. After that we are printing x and y. You click on run. No need to type also. Just you click on run. You see the right side. This is the output. So 5 and John, you got the output. Now if I change the values, if I give 500 instead of John, I'll give Ganesh. Okay. Now run this. 500 and Ganesh. Okay. Now everybody do this. Everybody do this and tell me the output what you are going to get. Instead of 500, I'll give 5,000. Okay. Y I will take here as welcome. Everybody open your mobiles. Open the website and go for this website W3 schools and tell me the output. What will be the output you are going to get? Please type me in the chat box. I have given x value as 5,000. I have given y value as welcome. So what must be the output? $5,000 welcome. 5,000 welcome. Okay, good. like this. You'll be having multiple things in this website. Okay, if you go for next, you see there built-in data types. I told you string data type, I told you int, float. Okay, but I did not tell you complex. Okay, all these are the different data types: text type, numeric types, sequence types, mapping types, set types, boolean types, binary types. Okay, multiple types are there. We are going to study everything slowly. Okay, say for example, if you browse down, you may get example for x is equal to 5, print type of 5. Okay, click on try it yourself. Okay, all these examples you can see there. X is equal to hello world, it's a string type. Okay, x is equal to 20, it is a int type. Okay, x is equal to 1j, it's a complex type. We shall try this. You see on the right side, do you see right side, do you find try it? What do you find here? Please type in the chat box. What is this? Try it. Okay, everybody type this word on the chat box. Try it. Good. Select the complex one. Try it. You see the output. We have initialized x as 1j. Okay, we are printing that value 1j. Okay, and then its type is complex. Its type is complex because j is considered as, whenever we prefix anything with j, that means it is a complex number. Okay, now I think we can stop here. In this session, wait, don't quit. In this session, just I revised you if the conditional statements, if else, else if ladder, or we say that as else if. Then I have given you the online editor. Okay, online editor W3 schools. Just explore the W3 schools. Okay, and try to execute all the examples. Okay, we can stop here. Thank you.